Well, she woke up in a panic after dreaming that her teeth were crumbling and falling out. A vivid experience that left her feeling insecure and anxious about her self-image. Ingabe kuchaza ukuthini lokho? Asike silalele.
Hello, TMS family. This is not a time to tell it's Annie from Katla Home. Well, I have a dream like this weird dream I never understand. And I tried asking about it, but I don't think anybody has an explanation for it. I sometimes dream of my teeth falling out, and I can actually feel it in my dream. It's like I can actually feel my teeth falling out. I never ever understand what that dream means. If Pastor Kate could just kindly explain it to me.
Pastor kuleli uyayifila nokuyifila lento enzala ke nebusheni lakhe.
Ebusheni.
Ingabe kuchaza ukuthini?
Asikuveze kanje ukuthi uphuma amazinyo kunokulahlekelwa ukhambisana kakhulu nokulahlekelwa yabona.
Okay.
Esikhathi umuntu umephupha amazinyo kuyenza iphupha amazinyo ephuma ngoba suke bezomdamba bezomlahla ezokwaliwa yabona. Kuyenzeka futhi umuntu kuphuma lamazinyo ngoba engalahlekelwa umsebenzi, engalahlekelwa iposition emsebenzini, mhlawumbe ethola demotion futhi sokukhomba ukuthi kulanto eyigugu kuwe ezokuphunyuka ngabe umuntu osukuthandana naye, ngabe iposition osukukuya emsebenzini yabona.
Yeah.
Noma okunye nje osuke ubambelele ukusebenzela phe kwakho yabona ama opportunities athile asuke ezokulahlekela. Kodwa ke futhi asesithi ke lephupho libuya ngoba ngenze ukuthi omunye ke sesiphendula umuntu elibuya njalo lephupho ngoba leli into ephupha nje kanye indlule kwenze lokwenzakalayo. But kunomuntu othi mina hayi sengiliphuphe more than 10 years lokhu ngiyaliphupha lephupho lokhu akekho umuntu ongilahlayo akekho umuntu ongidampayo angilahlekelwa position angilahlekelwa ilutho nje ngiphuvele ngiphuphe nje kuphuma amazinyo njalo. Lento isingasho ukuthi sefuna bheka ukuthi la idalweni zakhe ngoba ngenzeka ngokwesintu lento isuke sithinta idalo zalomuntu ukuthi mhlawumbe umsamo wakhe awuqondile kahle idalo lezi ezimembethe azihleli kahle kuye mhlawumbe zihambe zibe nokudeda kuye ngoba kunento afuna ilungise emsamo kunento afuna ilungise idalweni zakuthi kuze lebunhlanhla bungaqheli kuye bungamlahlekele lezi idalo zakhe zizinze kuye yayibona.
Alright, izwakele Pastor, izwakele. I think into esizoyenza manje singam-advise ke ukuthi usisi nje maybe pray about it and just make sure that you do consult and check or ndilo liyemishwa ngokhaya. But ke asiphuthume kwelinye iphupho elandelayo.